Hello, Tom here from DMC. Today we are trying Ruby Cheeks.
Ruby Cheeks.
A new flavour. Who's this?
I'm Katie.
And we've got Conan here. He's a dog. So, Ruby Cheeks is infused with cherry, chocolate and pink peppercorns.
I love cherry and chocolate.
I don't like either of them.
And pink peppercorns.
We'll see how it goes. Right, let's try it.
It's romance ginger beer.
Smells nice.
Well, that smells good.
Let's see what it looks like. It's pink. It's really pink. I didn't know it was going to be pink. Yeah, that doesn't look pink on camera, but I can assure you that's very pink. There you go.
Yeah, very pink. Thank you.
I'll pour some for myself. Should I pour some for Conan?
No.
It's not good for dogs.
Pugs aren't allowed ginger beer.
Larger dogs are allowed ginger beer, but not pugs. They get quite rowdy. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
It's alright, alright.
Holy cow, nothing stands out. None of those flavours stand out on their own. They mix really nicely.
It's more gingery than I thought it would be, which is stupid. It's ginger beer.
Ginger beer. It's good. It's pink.
When Jez said he was making this, and Jez and Al said they were making this, I thought it was going to taste horrible, but it's actually quite nice. I quite like it. Don't tell him I said that.
Let's see if Conan wants to smell. Sniff a dude. Oh. He said, oh.
I think he likes it.
More Ruby Cheeks.
Okay, more Ruby Cheeks. It's got the seal of approval from us. You can buy it on dmcbrewery.com. 10% off with discount code lockdown. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Those are the things I have to say.
Cheers.
Cheers!